In front of me is XIAOMI 17T, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps. Then choose Dual Apps here and hit Create. Finally, you can tap on any switcher next to any app you wanna clone, or to clone one of those recommended ones, just click on one and use this switcher instead. Confirm your choice in the pop-up either way, and wait. With recommended apps though, you can also adjust those two options. Share to WhatsApp and wake using Google Assistant. Just pick the best option from the pop-up, always ask default app or dual app, and once you finish, go back to check out your cloned app. Sorry. As you can see, mine was successfully cloned. Now, if you will ever want to delete this clone, just go back to the same section of your settings and use No Blue switcher. Then hit OK and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!